Hi guys! If you're thinking about buying the BenQ LK936ST 4K Ultra HD short-throw laser DLP projector, make sure to check out the purchase link in the description below. Now let's find out why this projector has become a favorite for home theaters, gaming rooms, golf simulators, and professional presentation spaces. The first thing that stands out is the combination of true 4K Ultra HD resolution and laser projection technology. With more than 8.3 million pixels on screen, every movie, game, and presentation looks incredibly detailed. Small text stays sharp, landscapes appear lifelike, and action scenes remain crisp even on a massive display. If image quality is your priority, this projector delivers an impressive viewing experience from the very first moment. Another huge advantage is the short-throw lens. Traditional projectors often require a long installation distance, but the LK936ST can create a large screen while sitting much closer to the projection surface. This makes it perfect for smaller rooms where space is limited. It also helps reduce shadows and glare during presentations, making it an excellent choice for classrooms, offices, museums, and interactive displays. Brightness is another area where this projector performs exceptionally well. The powerful laser light source produces vibrant images that remain clear even when the room isn't completely dark. Whether you're watching a movie during the evening or giving a presentation in a bright conference room, the picture stays colorful, sharp, and easy to see. Color accuracy is equally impressive. BenQ has developed this projector to reproduce natural-looking colors with excellent consistency. HDR support enhances both bright highlights and deep shadows, creating better contrast and making every scene feel more realistic. From colorful animated movies to dramatic cinematic productions, everything looks rich and immersive. One of the biggest long-term benefits is the laser light engine. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors that eventually require expensive replacement bulbs, this laser system is designed to deliver up to 20,000 hours of reliable performance. That means years of entertainment and professional use with minimal maintenance and consistent brightness throughout its lifespan. Gamers will also appreciate the massive screen experience. Playing your favorite racing, sports, or adventure games on a huge 4K display completely changes the experience. Every environment feels larger, details become easier to notice, and gameplay becomes much more immersive than playing on a standard television. Connectivity is exactly what you'd expect from a premium projector. Multiple HDMI ports allow you to connect gaming consoles, streaming devices, Blu-ray players, laptops, and media servers with ease. Switching between different sources is quick, making it suitable for both entertainment and professional environments. Installation flexibility is another major highlight. Features like lens shift, zoom adjustment, and keystone correction allow installers to position the projector more conveniently while still achieving a perfectly aligned image. Whether it's mounted on the ceiling or placed on a table, setup is straightforward and user-friendly. Cooling performance is also well engineered. Even during long gaming sessions, movie marathons, or business presentations, the projector maintains reliable performance while keeping fan noise relatively low. This allows you to stay focused on the content instead of the hardware operating in the background. Of course, premium performance comes with a premium price, but when you consider the true 4K resolution, laser technology, excellent brightness, flexible installation, and long operating life, the value becomes much easier to appreciate. It's designed as a long-term investment rather than a short-term upgrade. Overall, the BenQ LK936ST delivers outstanding picture quality, dependable laser performance, and installation flexibility that makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're building an impressive home theater, creating a professional presentation room, or upgrading your gaming setup, this projector has the features to deliver an exceptional experience. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.